My 93 Toyota pickup, I backed into my F350 and broke the taillight. I'm using my soldering iron and I'm melting it back together. New one cost 20 bucks. Don't have 20 bucks today. So this is just getting started, melting it back together. I had a hot glue gun but couldn't find the glue stick, so this is just temporary till I get a new one. Putting the jigsaw puzzle back together. I was going to use JB Weld, but then it'd take forever and I didn't have any super glue. This soldering iron's working. Got it put back together about the best I could. I'll have to order one, but this will keep me more legal for till I get a new one. So, soldering iron, repair plastic taillight lens, hot welded it. It's installed, it's fixed.